Hey there, I am Chris Pine. I'm in a new movie called Wish. I'm here with BuzzFeed today to play with puppies. Yeah! Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. So many puppies, it's just... Yo, yo. Yeah. This right now. It's not even a question. The only problem with this whole endeavor is that you have to ask me questions while I'm playing with puppies. Just shoving the puppy. Ew. I would pick Wonder Woman 1 out without the war, but with the cool outfits and the biplanes. Yo. My guilty pleasure is driving my vintage cars that run on gas. The car I always wanted as a kid, a 57 Porsche Speedster. Hi. Yep, this is exciting, see a dog. Oh, yeah. Oh boy, I'm reading this book on quantum physics that I don't totally understand, but I find it fascinating, called The One. Because I don't really understand much about quantum physics, and I was always bad at physics, or told I was bad at physics in high school, so I wanted to see if I could get into it. I just read this Roberto Bolaño book, 2666, this Murakami book called Killing Commendatore. And I just started Jonathan Lethem's new book, Brooklyn Crime novel, which is really good. They styled it after me. When I was 9 and went to medieval times, realized that maybe in another life I was a knight. Yeah. I don't use movie quotes because I can't remember anything. Turtlenecks for pictures. Yes, on our WhatsApp chain. No. My facial hair. Bungee jumped. Really, really scary. Like when I was 30, okay guys, it's cool. Yeah, no, you wouldn't. Let's talk. I was like 32 and I was in New Zealand and I just finished a movie and my father, who was like 76 at the time, was like, yeah, I'll bungee jump. I was like, there's not a way I'm gonna do it. My girlfriend at the time was like, yeah, I'll bungee jump. So I was watching my geriatric father bungee jump with absolute glee, and I was standing with my mom and I was like, well, I can't, this is not a good look. So then I ran up and did it and was terrified. My very first job was, I worked at a bakery. Not fun. I loved Lady and the Tramp. Hang a picture. Right now-ish. Yeah. Puppy fight. I can't remember the last time I sang karaoke, but as all of us do, I would probably try to sing Don't Stop Believin'. That I was immortal. Casey Affleck. Yeah, I just stopped it before I came in here. King George II. Golf caddy. Thanks, BuzzFeed. Watch Wish. I play King Magnifico. It's in theaters this Thanksgiving. It doesn't have puppies, but it has a bunch of really fun animated stars and talking goats. These puppies are at the North Shore Animal League America. Go get your adoption on. Take all of these puppies home because they are furry, cute, adorable, and they're wrestlers.